recording.
So we're here for replacing the computer hard drive to an SSD. We already opened the cover. Let's go. I have to disassemble the whole thing. Take out the connections.
You brought us something else, is that?
I have two devices in information.
Okay.
And we are going to cover for the information that is recovered of more than
You need to bring
big
one.
one, so that's I gave it to you.
Okay, don't worry, we'll do it. Okay?
What are you going to do?
We're gonna transfer it on this.
Okay, so I told 24.5. So you want to use this one?
This one's a little bit hard. Let's see. Okay, we got it.
You see something or you remember?
We have it over here.
And we take out the hard drive. That's it. Okay, let's expose our nice and trustworthy Samsung SSD 500 gigabytes. Put all the screws inside the cup so we won't lose them. Make it a little bit more professional. Over here.
So maybe this one. I'm not sure because you need to bring the device. Look at the. I don't. We have a universal device. Understand? I don't know. It's usually a laptop. So we can go with it. I don't know if we can go for this. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's whatever you make it. The phone number's on the top and the password's on the bottom. I can reset the password, okay? What's your phone number? That one is? Okay, 851.
Forgive me for all the background talking. We are operating from a laboratory inside the store, a computer store. Now we're going to separate it from the base, from the frame. Here's our brand new SSD solid state drive. Samsung SSD, like I said, solid state drive, 500 gigabyte, one of the most trustworthy in the market. Samsung for SSDs.
Don't mess up the pieces. Either of them don't. Okay? I'll sell you both and you can return it within 7 days, okay? So that's what we'll do. What? No, I charge you now. Bring it back to me as you want. Whatever works. If both don't work, just bring me back both, whatever. But, okay? Okay. But there's a lot of pieces, you understand? You have to find the right piece. Into the plug, and fit into the plug. And also the wattage, which will be, you have to make sure, look at the old one. Figure it out, because I don't have your Okay. I have a 24 watt adapter, okay? Okay, listen. No, can I dollar? Phone number?
What are you going to do? Give me both?
You know what? I'll give you one. I think that one anyway not to this is 25 watts and this is 24 watts.
I actually have also a power drill, a power screwdriver, you can call it. But I always prefer the manual one, unless it's it's a lot to do, so I use it also. Okay, so we have everything here connected. Gonna connect the ribbon. I think everything is good. I'll close it.
Probably not. I can put one piece from here and there.
So we save for the customer. There you go, ready to go. Ready to go. This is a different work order. Okay, now we're gonna reinstall the Windows. It's already turned on. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, gonna put the right pen. There's an issue with the Dell laptops. It has a special tense. So this company, the Blicker company or the Westronics, they made a special plug for this Dell, so it can charge it, because if it's not the right one, although it has the right shape, it's not going to charge it. So we have it over here like that. Okay, now we start the reinstallation of the Windows. It's brand new, fresh installation of Windows. Let's go hit the F12 key on Dell's. You go on F12 to get to the boot menu. (64-bit). This one. There's an issue with the operation system right now, after it took off all the viruses. And that's it. Now it finds a digital license. Some of them have digital license. I'm sorry for my English. It's not my first language. See, and it found a digital license.